If you run a nonprofit or a small to medium-sized business, you know how valuable insight, energy, up-to-date knowledge, and problem-solving skills can be to achieving your goals. But for many organizations, it's hard to know where to access these skills. Luckily, there's an untapped resource of creativity, connections, and fresh perspectives on campuses across the province. University students. But how do you tap into this resource? With Propel, you gain access to Ontario's vast student talent network by forming a partnership with universities. Discover how to work with students to help reach your goals. From internships to hackathons, research projects to co-ops, there are many ways you can benefit from giving students hands-on work experience. Get additional resources that address recruitment, legal obligations, existing financial supports, and more. Propel your organization forward with the fresh ideas students can bring to help solve your challenges. propelinitiative.ca